Hi there, welcome back and thanks for joining me today. If you are new to my channel, my name is Fate Intervention and I am a drag and makeup artist. For today's makeup artist video, I'm going to do makeup on the beautiful Gina. Gina and I have been friends for almost 3 years and she's literally one of the busiest working ladies on earth. This video is going to be a voiceover as in my previous videos. If you didn't watch my latest video yet, I'm going to put it at the end of the video, so stay tuned and watch that video also. So, enough talking for now. Get something to eat, get something to drink, and let's get into this video. For skin prep, I'm going to be starting with a moisturizer. I'm using the amazing Chanel Sublimage La Creme. For primer, I'm using this Estee Lauder Mattifying Shine Control Primer. I'm going to block her brows, and for that I'm using the Elmers glue stick. As I said in my drag series, the first layer is so important, that's why you want the hairs to lay as flat as possible against your skin. To make her brows dry faster, I'm using a blow dryer to fasten up this process. I almost forgot to give her a wig cap to hide her beautiful hair away and give her a beautiful wig later on. So now that her brows are dry after a few layers and blow drying stuff, I'm going to set her brows with this Coty Aspen powder. It's really important to really press the powder into her brows to set everything well. Now I'm going to continue to really hide her brows away, and for that I'm using the Makeup Revolution foundation drops. I don't recommend you using this foundation for this because it isn't thick enough to cover everything up. But I do recommend you to use the Makeup Revolution Fast Base foundation stick to cover up. I'm using this Crown eyebrow palette. The colors are beautiful and very pigmented. I really love this palette. It's really important to think about the shape that you want your new eyebrows to be. They can be rounded, straight, teapot, S-shaped, etc, etc. But today I'm going for a rounded, straight-ish brow. Don't worry if you mess it up, because you can always clean it up with concealer or foundation if you did something wrong later on. Oh, look at those brows. They look snatched, girl. And of course, we also need to set those brows with setting powder. I want to go with eye first, so I'm going in with this Morphe eye primer. Today I'm using this bright matte palette by Beauty Bay. And I'm going in with the shade Slice of Lime to start creating the shape that I want. I want to keep the middle part clean because this is going to be a halo eye. The next shade that I'm going in with is Granny Smith. With this I'm going to build some structure. I'm going to apply the color in her outer and inner corner. I'm going in with the shade Labyrinth to create a little more depth in her outer and inner corner. So now that I kept that middle part clean, I'm going in with this amazing white highlighter by Makeup Revolution, the Skin Kiss highlighter, to brighten up that middle part and make it pop out even more. I'm using the gel liner by Makeup Revolution, and I'm creating just a little liner to stick her lashes to later on, nothing too special. For foundation, I'm going in with this Makeup Revolution foundation drops in shade F8. This foundation is really good. I love using it for makeup on models and for work, etc. But for drag, I recommend you to use a stick instead of a liquid foundation. Going in with the same foundation but in another shade, in shade F2, I'm going to apply it on her under eyes, forehead, nose and chin. And I'm using a makeup sponge to blend it out nicely and perfectly. I'm going in with this contour stick by Max & More to create a beautiful base and give her face life. So now that I have her base done, I'm going to set everything. For contour, I'm using this Makeup Obsession Throw Shade palette. Colors are beautiful, I'm totally in love with this palette. I'm starting with the shade Fire, and after that I'm taking the shade Queen to create a little more depth. I'll apply this contour on her cheek, jawline and forehead. I almost forgot to contour her nose like always, so I went in with the shade Fire again to contour her nose and set it after with setting powder. I'm applying some eyeshadow on her lower lash line to finish this beautiful eyeshadow. And of course some highlighter to make everything pop out what needs to pop out. For brows, I'm using this Beauty Bay Nude Matte Mini Palette. I'm applying a little bit on her brows to make them a little bit darker. So, it's time for blush, and gosh, I love blush so much. I'm using this Makeup Revolution blush palette, Sugar and Spice. I'm applying that blush on her cheek, nose, jawline, forehead, almost everywhere because I really love some good blush. I'm going in with some highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills, shade Butterscotch. I'm applying this shade in her inner corner, cupid's bow, nose, tip of her nose, cheekbones, chin and forehead. For lips, I'm using this liner by Give Face Cosmetics. I really love this liner, it's a grey brown liner. I finish her lips by applying some highlighter on her lips. Yes, it's time for lashes. Lashes really finish a look. And damn, they look so stunning. And last best, I set her face with the amazing Morphe Mist. So this is the result. I am really happy with the outcome. She looks gorgeous. As I said before, I am so happy to have her here today. I really hope you all enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please hit the thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and take care of yourself, and I hope to see you all soon again. Bye bye!